We're at minus 109 degrees Celsius now. Just booting into Windows on a Core 2 Duo E8600, hopefully 5.9 gigahertz. Trying to break 6.4 gigahertz at the moment. Just bringing it down to about minus 130 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to open CPUZ here. You can see we're at 5.9 gigahertz. The CPU voltage is 1.9 volts currently set in the BIOS. And with set FSB here, you'll be able to see we're gonna get over 6 gigahertz fairly quickly, so that's 6.18. Still at minus 115, pour a bit more in. Actually run out on that flask now. I've got another one which is full, so go for that one. So that should bring the temperatures down a bit. So we'll go up to 6.2 gigahertz now. We have got the extreme CPUZ open, so it didn't show the voltage, but you can see it here, extremes ticked. I'm just going to disable Explorer to give us a little bit of extra stability. So let's go for 6.3. That is now at 6.3 gigahertz, minus 134 degrees. Hopefully 6.35ish now. So 6.37. This is where we got stuck last time. So I'm going to try and save a validation file at this. Oh, it's crashed again. Yeah, the best we've got is 6.387 validated. And you can see how long I've been running. I've been running PyFast before this as well. There's actually snow built up on the pot here. It's pretty deep. Got 2 fans, one blowing down at the North Bridge down here. No, it probably won't boot up now because it's a little bit cold, or it is actually. So we need to change some settings in the BIOS. So I'm going to have to restart it again. I have managed to get this motherboard before up on phase, so I think 650 on the front side bus, but that was on phase and it was on an E8500, not this E8600. This E8600 is a random one that I just picked. It's not even binned? No, it's not even binned, it's just a random one that I picked out of my tray of E8600s, so it's pretty impressive. Again, 5.9 gigahertz, so I'm just going to ditch Explorer again. Although I said I was going to change some stuff in the BIOS, but actually what there might be an FSB hole around 6.4 gigahertz, so I'm going to try and go past it, maybe 6.45, and see if that helps. It might instantly shut off. Now we are back down to minus 114, so I'll stick some more LN2 in. Right, if the missus asks, I haven't been smoking. So, cool it down a bit more now, and it has actually turned off, so I've put too much in. Damn it. So I've managed to use the blowtorch to get it back up to minus 120. I did actually just cold bug it there. I'm going to try and boot at 6.1 gigahertz this time. Don't know how well that's going to go, but I suppose we'll find out soon enough. I'm pouring too much LN2 in, that's the problem. Because I want it to be like minus 130ish, but the problem is the thermometer has some like lag, So every time I pour some in, I think, oh, I just need a little bit more, and it's a bit too much. So the thermometer's still going down. And it doesn't look like it's booting up now at 6.1, which isn't really much good. So looks like I'm going to have to restart again. Brilliant. Might also try increasing the North Bridge voltage a little bit more. I have to say the screen looks pretty decent through my phone camera. It's pretty good quality, 1080p actually. So I'm going to try that again. At 20, and I'm going to have that on lighter. The AI clock twister. Going to try 1.58 on the North Bridge. Maybe give it a little bit more on the RAM and a little bit more on the CPU. So CPU voltage is now 1.925. Also going to bump the termination up a little bit. Hopefully this will boot up and we'll get over 6.4. Maybe not. Does sound like it's booting up. Got the Asus logo on the screen. Can start pouring in some LN2. It's quite difficult to film and pour the LN2 at the same time, isn't it? There we go. We are actually live streaming as well. So I've got the little webcam set up there. I've also got one up there on the ceiling watching over here, where there's a 7700K. What's it at the moment? 6 gigahertz? 6 gigs, which isn't too bad with a GTX 970 on a ITX board. It's an Asus Impact. Got some Team Group Extreme RAM there as well. So, and we've also got the first Asus 6 Apex over here in the UK, running a 7900X underwater, which Gavin is using here. He's trying to install an NVIDIA driver for this E8600GS, but it's not going very well, to be fair. But this is actually the first of these boards ever in the UK, X299. If you look on the box, it actually says serial number 001, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, we're back into Windows over here now, so we're going to go for 6.4 again. Try and get CPU down to minus 130 without cold bugging it this time. I'll put a little bit in there. See, the CPU thing's still reading minus 121. And it jumped all the way to minus 124, which doesn't help. So, minus 128, that'll probably do for now. Straight to 6.3, no messing about. 6.39, gonna go straight past it. 6.427, gonna try validate that. No, died again. But 6.427 I hit there, so we'll have to reboot, try again. Right, we're back in Windows, 6.3 gigahertz this time. Trying to get 6.4 validated, but so far it's not happening. I'm only at 104 degrees, so we need some more LN2 in there. I'll fill it right up. So here we go. Oh, it's gone again. Actually, I don't know why, but it doesn't seem to like the temperature change. It seems alright if I just leave it, but if I pour more LN2 in, it seems to die for some reason.
sometimes.
Ah well, we'll try again. So here we are again, 6.2. I have taken one of the sticks of RAM out now, so we are only using one stick of RAM. Just get it down to the sort of minus 130 range, and then hopefully go for 6.4. Back up to 6.3. It seems fairly stable at 6.3. It's just getting those last few megahertz for 6.4 is a bit tricky. 6.41 and everything crashed. Memory error. Damn it.
Have you got your memory right down?
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get it. 6.4. Not possible. It's rebooting now. I wonder if I swap sticks. Give it one more shot. And then I think it'll have to be done. I'll have to just probably get another take at 6.37, and then I'll have to try another board, like maybe my gigabyte board or something. So that might do higher FSB than this. I've never tested it, so we'll see. But we're running 1.95 volts, so we can't really do much on that front. Last try. Here we go again. 6.29. Ah, it's died. It's not going to do it. So I reckon that'll be it for this video. Let's not do any more. So unfortunately, in the end, I never managed to get 6.4 gigahertz for the validation. I'll link the validation at 6.3 in the description of this video, as well as my other scores that I got on this same bench session. The session was with the MLG team in Liverpool in August 2017. If you want to join the team, I will also put links to our HWBOT team as well as the MLG forum in the description. And if you're interested in doing any LN2 overclocking or a meetup like you see on the screen, the next one's probably going to be in November or December this year. So feel free to join us. You can message me on YouTube or over on HWBOT, or even come talk to us on the forum. Thanks for watching and goodbye.